We got new strings, boys! Cool, that was fun. Do you guys like piano intros or guitar intros better? Piano I feel like is a little more relaxing. But yeah, I play guitar, I play piano, I play drums. I don't play the bagpipe. Ukulele, bass, basically anything that makes noise, I can play. So as this car sits, it's just not very comfortable. The past few months I've been trying to make this car more not necessarily like more streetable, but I wanted to make the car a lot more clean than it has been. Personally, I love being wild, but this car's a little too crazy. This car was pink, had mismatching wheels, and it just wasn't that great. And one of the things I've been really wanting to do is finish up the interior of this car. This car is also incredibly uncomfortable. So these seats are actually really good seats. The shell is OMP, like these are OMP seats, but they're restitched by Orica Racing. They are really good seats, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove them because they're some of like the most bolstery, tightest fitting seats ever. And I, as cool as it was like when I was in the beginning of college, like late high school, I was like, oh, I got racing seats, it's really tight. Now I absolutely hate it. My favorite part about this is going to be from our friends at Corbeau. Babe, do you like Christmas?
Love Christmas.
You should open these up like it's Christmas then. Big shouts to our friends over at Corbeau.
What's the easiest way to get this out?
Probably just turn the box over. Nice. So that's one. They should have two in there.
Yep, there's another one. Is it supposed to be that squeezed?
I got the adjustable one just for you.
It's on its side.
Did you hear me?
No.
I got the adjustable just for you.
Adjustable?
Why do you think they're like this? You think they're supposed to be like that? Yes, I got the adjustable ones just for you. I did not get one-piece racing seats because I wanted you to be able to ride in this car for a change.
Yay.
Hey, watch the suede. Watch the suede. Just be careful. These are nice seats. Oh man.
Oh my goodness.
Holy crap. Yeah. They're really nice seats.
Ooh.
How sick is that? Now go ahead and pull a little lever on the side. It's actually got a lever, like a good seat. A poof on your head.
I'll be drifting and I'll be like,
nope, that's not a good idea.
Already. Really comfy actually.
Oh man, this is really cool. Get up. Oh man, it's gonna be so great. Like honestly, when you get one-piece racing seats that go up to here, through here, and especially like the halo seats and stuff like that, like when you're a dude, it really pinches your man area a lot trying to get in and out of the car, and it's just the worst experience ever. So it's gonna be really nice having these. Like these are already super comfortable. So these are really good quality seats, I can already tell you. I've worked with some brands before that don't make the best stuff. I've learned my lesson, but so these, they're not wiggling. One of the biggest things for two-piece seats is it's a cheap seat if the back wiggles even in the slightest, and this is a very stiff seat, it doesn't move. I'm excited about it. In fact, they're actually a little more comfy than my Brids in the R33.
I really like the design.
Well, so that was the other thing. These are cool racing seats and stuff, but like nobody knows what that brand is, and they don't really look that cool. And so now I've got this really awesome name that everybody knows just right at the top. Go ahead and grab the other one. Might as well. And voila. Nice. I'm really excited to install these. We've got one more thing. So we've got those. We have Corbeau's seat brackets. Oh wait, hold up.
What? What if we went up to our neighbors and hid in the box and then jumped out of the box? We'll be like, welcome to the neighborhood.
Got some stickers. Okay, this is actually kind of cool. It's like a waxy sticker or whatever you call these. What are these called?
Ooh, it's like a jelly sticker.
Jelly sticker, yeah. Got a bunch of Corbeau stuff. You know what? Let's go straight to the desk over here.
Front and center.
Boom! Nice.
Oh, there's a t-shirt for you.
There we go. Oh, wow. Those are nice.
So fancy.
Those are so much nicer than the ones I have. Jeez. Oh, man. And they actually have...
What is that?
They're actually like, they have working seatbelt brackets and stuff like that. So sick. Well, too bad we don't have 3 points anymore, but that is really cool. Wow, dude. Yeah, these are great. These are literally like the same quality as my Brids, which Brid is obviously, like, you guys know Brid. Like, this is awesome. This is really good. So the ones that are in the car right now are just bad. They're just bad. They're just bad. I'm not gonna mention the name of who made them, but yeah. That's fully tightened down. They're just pieces of junk.
Looking good, babe. You know what I miss? I miss the side one.
Now I have one more thing.
Hold on, let's just talk about something real quick. We haven't even done anything in this video. What? How are you already dirty?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Away from yourself, kids. Be safe. So our friends at LRB Speed have, so they sent us the door cards. Go ahead and show them the door cards on it.
Ooh.
So there's one of the door cards. They actually sent us one other thing that this car 100% needs to complete the interior. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here.
Yep.
So, there's another part to this, but we're gonna be covering up the back of the car. So, as you can tell, if you look back there, it's still gutted and it's still bare. These are rear seat covers for what used to be there. And so we're gonna cover up the fuel pump, we're gonna cover up all those nasty wires that you don't wanna see, and it's gonna make it look a lot nicer and more polished. Okay, so those are gonna be 10 mils. I'm gonna tighten those down here in a little bit. That was super simple. And then they gave us some lining for the top of it so that if it rattles, you won't hear it. So we're gonna do that, and then it's super easy from there on out. I'm gonna just literally bolt another piece to there, and this actually is a little easier than I thought, thankfully. The next step was super easy. There's two little pieces right here that they bolt into the chassis, and then you have these little clips right here, and you put clips right here, and so that little bottom plate will go ahead and screw onto those. So that is pretty much it. I've got all these bolts are nice and tightened down. It doesn't move at all. Like, it's very bolstered in. So what I did, I went ahead and took some weathering and I put it behind that so it would never ever ever hit the back of it, so it's never gonna make any noises. Let's go ahead and get out of the car. That looks pretty cool. I dig it. It looks a lot better than having a piece of junk, you know, literally just gutted interior. So it's looking a lot better. I personally, some people don't like the look of raw aluminum. I really, really like it. So I'm gonna keep it the way that it is. And we're gonna go ahead and get the Corbeaus in. So far, I have nothing but amazing things to say about these seats. So the brackets have fit in perfectly, with no issues. All the hardware that they have given me is like super high quality. It's all, I mean, it fits. This looks so really nice. Like, honestly, it looks really nice in the car. It makes the car feel like a clean, nice car again. And I'm excited to go take it for a spin here in a little bit. Like, this will be the first time I've driven this car in a long time without like feeling absolutely claustrophobic. Holy crap. It's like on all the slide. Okay, so the sliding's even nice.
Is it smooth?
Oh yeah. Dude, this is gonna be really awesome. I think you're gonna actually really like being in this car.
It looks so clean.
I absolutely dig it. This is like, it just completely changed the car. Like, look at it at the beginning of the day, and then look at it now. Crazy, dude. All right, boys. That's well, for one, that's actually bolstered in and a lot safer than the other seats I had. And two, it looks good. I actually fixed this. These used to be backwards and now they're not. I'm just really excited about this. It finally looks just really good. Finally, it tucked away pretty much all the wires that used to be back there. So like, yeah, honestly, it just looks good. I've been wanting this for a while, but I always kind of put this car off, unfortunately, and it's every time I do something that this car deserves, I get really happy, but it's hard for me, for some reason it's just hard for me to like spend a lot of time and money on this car for, I don't know, because it's the one I probably spent almost the most money on, and the most time and sweat and blood and tears over the years. Let's take it for a ride now. It's so much more comfortable sitting in this car now. Like, I would actually take this car to go and run errands, or like to just go drive around. Is that weird that like it just completely changed it like that
No, we're not on the track, Evan. What?
I told you could do rolling burnouts.
I didn't doubt you.
Oh man.
Not okay.
It's okay.
What is that smirk for? Come on.
Yeah, feeling when
You need to get to a track so you can get all this energy out of you.
feeling like when your mom's really mad at you, and it's kind of like funny, but it's also kind of like life-threatening. That's how I feel right now with Victoria.
I do not condone that behavior.
Sorry, I don't either, actually. I just do it because I can, yeah, okay.
Thumbs up this video to get rid of whatever all this is. Have y'all noticed this?
Stop, go away. Big special thanks to Corbeau for sending these seats out to us. I absolutely love them, and now the SC300 is a car that I want to drive, and it will actually enjoy driving. Don't drive like that though. I won't drive like that all the time, maybe just most of the time. My daily advice for you guys today, I see a lot of stuff about relationships all the time on Twitter and stuff like that, and people probably assume like because I'm married or whatever that I have just like this. I've never had, you know, any kind of relational struggles and stuff like that. Guys, Victoria and I dated for 7 years, and 4 of those were long distance. We have probably been through harder stuff than most anyone out there watching us. We just don't get into it. And I want to remind you guys today that if you want to have a successful relationship, you need to learn to be selfless and not selfish. There's a lot to be said about making sure the other person's needs are met before yours. And there's also a lot to be said about just making sure you're dating the right person, not just dating someone because you want to be in a relationship. That's dangerous. You don't want to be in that situation. So on top of that, just be patient. There's no need to get in a relationship. Like, honestly, being single is so freaking cool. You might think it's lonely, but like, just get some boys to hang out with, get some girls to hang out with, play some video games. It's really freaking cool. But relationships are special, and I want to remind you guys to be selfless and not selfish, and to communicate in your relationship. Be loving and understand each other's love languages so that you can perfect the way that you communicate together and, you know, have a life together. Don't rush into anything, be patient, and be selfless. Learn to be selfless. Honestly, life is just better when you just don't think about yourself all the damn time. Anyways, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, big shouts to Corbeau and LRB Speed for the 2 things to basically completed the interior of this Lexus. Tomorrow, I'll be starting on the, you guys, there we go. Pulling the motor. We're pulling the V6. It's gonna be fun. See you guys later. 2 videos for you, baby! Oh, that was like so side. I'm sorry. You guys probably want to just like leave now, but what I'm gonna tell you is don't leave. Watch one of those 2 videos that's right in front of your face. And if you've already watched them, that's fine. I have plenty other videos on the channel that I bet you probably haven't watched, so you should probably watch them right now.